Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Discover unparalleled modern elegance in this architectural gem, masterfully positioned within the prestigious community of Aris Avenue, Red Hills, St. Andrew. This exquisite smart home boasts a harmonious blend of curated design and functionality across its 5 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms, complemented by a myriad of luxurious amenities. This house sits on 0.34 acres. From the moment you arrive, you will be greeted by a Wi-Fi enabled front gate, offering seamless access to your private sanctuary. The interior is everything a home should be, with electronic controls of the camera, lighting, heater, and alarm systems. The state-of-the-art kitchen boasts top-of-the-line appliances and the sleek finishes with a wet bar and reverse oasis faucet, making it a chef's dream kitchen, while enjoying breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. Retreat to the luxurious primary suite, complete with a spa-like ensuite bathroom with a triple shower head, enclosed shower, soaking tub, and double vanity with generous storage. The backyard steals the show, boasting everything needed to entertain family and friends, from the fully equipped outdoor kitchen, sleek bathroom to the sparkling pool, cozy fire pit, and built-in speakers. This is the best home you will find. Make it yours. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 129.8 million or US $843.3 thousand dollars. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.